Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on the application of Reddit with good settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Reddit. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.